It's definitive outside the Supreme Court. Men are men, women are women, trans women are not women, not just on paper, but in law.
The unanimous decision of this court is that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer to a biological woman and biological sex. But we counsel against reading this judgment as a triumph of one or more groups in our society at the expense of another. It is not.
The Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. You cannot appeal against what it has decided today.
And actually what we've had today, what we've heard inside this court, I think has exceeded all of our wildest dreams. It's been so clear what the law states on this issue, and that is that trans women are not women. They've never been women, they should never have been judged to be women, and that actually all of the arguments that women have made to protect female-only spaces, to say that saying you're a woman is not the same as actually being a woman, I think now changes the entire conversation. And it's seminal because it's easy to forget as we celebrate these scenes here. People have lost their jobs over this. Women have been cancelled, men have been cancelled. The debate was closed down. People like me were accused of being TERFs, trans-exclusionary radical feminists. I was called a transphobe, I was called a Nazi, I was called a bigot. And finally, women like me and the women we're going to speak to on today's Daily Tea have been vindicated by the Supreme Court behind us. Girls who want to be lesbians should be allowed to be lesbians without being forced down this kind of trans path that you're being born in the wrong body. No, actually, maybe you just like girls, maybe boys just like boys. There's nothing to do with wanting to be a different gender. It's just about being homosexual.